everything's alright. Only thing you're hiding from is happy holy times. Whenever you're happy, you'll have a good time. There's only one you're hiding of those coming all the times. Ready or not, you'll have a good time. Cause now there's nothing stopping you from joining us now.